Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Danica Jumistarcia, 33 years of age, from Sitio Maligaya, Abogado Paniki, Tarlac, Philippines. I'm married for more than 14 years with my husband, and we have two sons, age of 13 and 2 years old. I am 160 centimeter and 67 kilogram. I am a Roman Catholic, and I was second year college undergraduate from Interwork College Foundation with a course of computer programming. My father is a foreman and my mother is a housewife. I have youngest brother and I'm the eldest. Mom and sir, this is my first time to work in Hong Kong, but I had a work experience as domestic helper from Saudi Arabia for 4 years and 8 months. I served 3 members of the family, including the grandmother, 63 years old, the granddaughter, 13 years old, and also her mother, 53 years old. And also we have a one family driver. My duties and responsibilities is cleaning the house, cooking their food, washing and ironing the clothes, washing dishes, taking good care of their cats, and also I'm the one to go to supermarket to buy their needed. Mom and sir, please hire me because I'm loyal, honest, trustworthy, and hardworking woman. And I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and also taking care of your toddler and also your kids. And I promise to do all my duties and responsibilities. I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you.